one of the most complex cases you've ever led. What are the unique challenges in litigating against some of the world's most powerful tech companies? And that has never meant so much than probably this moment in time right now.
One of the unique challenges is, and I mentioned they brought this motion to strike the claims, there has never been a claim up until now where the schools have been found to be owed a duty of care by any third party other than one they contracted with. So in that sense, what we're seeking is what's called a novel duty of care. We're saying, based on existing law, what we look at as traditional duties of care should be expanded given the digital world in which we operate. So that adds some complexity to what we're doing. But I think, we're on the right side of that, as the court have already found. One of the things I always said to school boards when I met with them is, because they asked that question, how could we possibly litigate against companies who have more money than most nation states?
Especially when it's one person who could hire 50, it's not, it's not a company that you have to go against. It's one person with so much money, they could hire 5,500 people.
And my answer to that is, juries are the great equalizer, because it doesn't matter how much money you have in your bank account, how powerful you are. 6 people get to hear the evidence, and they get to decide impartially, objectively, based on the evidence they heard in that courtroom. They go back and deliberate, and they get to render a verdict. And that, to me, it's sort of in my lifeblood. It's what I've been doing for 30 years, and it's something I believe in wholeheartedly in the power of the jury system. I'm confident when the jury hears all of the evidence in this case that they will come to the conclusion that we urge upon them.